Now, there's some breaking news coming in on this story. We're learning that about 100 dead bodies have been shifted to AIIMS Bhubaneswar. As of now, essentially, they've been shifted from the North Odisha Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Union Health Minister Mansukhv Mandaviya has reached the Bhubaneswar airport as well. He will be visiting AIIMS Bhubaneswar and the medical college in Cuttack to take stock of medical assistance which is being provided to those who were injured in the accident day before. Now remember, this horrific accident took place day before at 7 p.m. Since then, rescue operations have been underway. They concluded yesterday in the evening, and now the main focus is on relief work. We're crossing over to CNN News 18's Akash Sharma to get us more details on this breaking input. Akash, tell us more. What we're learning essentially in this breaking input is that 100 dead bodies are being shifted to AIIMS.
Exactly, and the problem and the challenge is that sometimes in such cases you cannot have a proper place to keep those bodies because of several biological process and all other things. Okay, so that's the reason why you have to send these bodies to either the nearby mortuary, or hand over these bodies to the relatives. But in this case, we are learning that the 100 bodies which have not been claimed yet are being sent to Bhubaneswar Hospital because of the possibility of the biological process that will start the decomposition, I should say. Mm-hmm. And this is the reason why these bodies are being shifted. We are learning that these are being shifted to AIIMS Bhubaneswar, where people can come and can claim these bodies. In fact, but you see, Aisha, it's a tragic incident, and one should follow the cautions while talking about these things as well. The whole focus is on relief work. Railways is in fact in touch with the relatives, and helpline numbers have been established. And on these helpline numbers, these relatives can call and can ask about the well-being. More than 1,000 people were there. More than 900 are injured, and we are learning about more than 280 deaths. 280 dead bodies, in fact, have been recovered. And, several people are critically injured. Some have minor injuries as well, but rescue work is complete and relief work is going on. Indian Army, Indian Air Force, Indian Navy are there on the ground. And in fact, Railways is now organizing special trains, because you see, these people were, from different states as well. And those who have died, now their relatives are coming now, claiming the bodies and are, taking these bodies along. So there is a big challenge in the transportation as well. And that is the reason why Indian Railways is also arranging special trains to carry these bodies. In fact, one special train has been arranged for 1 p.m. that will run to Chennai. It will have stoppages at CTC and BBSR and all major stations that are, on the way in the route. And the train will have a parcel van attached, so that someone, who is taking a body along can take help of the railway officials and can carry the body in the parcel van. So our situation is, very challenging and very sad at the same time. And people are actually now very hopeful on the inquiry that has already been initiated to know the reason as to what went wrong in this case.
Absolutely. Akash, do stay with us, because